My name is Cam Souza, and today I'll be talking about the Massachusetts framework for mathematics in high school. So because in high school mathematics in Massachusetts doesn't go grade by grade, I chose to talk about the algebra section today. And the standard I chose was students will be able to write expressions in equivalent forms to solve problems, which means that students will be able to choose and produce an equivalent form of an expression to reveal and explain properties of the quantity represented by the expression. So as a teacher, to start off class, I would give a 15-minute lecture, basically just going over the topic, and I'd probably use PowerPoint, because PowerPoint, at least to me, is the easiest way to learn a topic. So I would pull up a PowerPoint and give a 15-minute lecture basically on how to do what we're doing, and yeah, try to keep it at least under 20 minutes, because like our professor said, that students will get bored after 15 minutes of a lecture if it goes above 15 minutes. So after that 15 minutes, I would throw some practice problems on there so that students can get engaged, and students will have something to do other than just pay attention to the board. So I would let them go into groups of 3 to help each other out and solve the equations and solve the practice problems. I wouldn't count these practice problems as anything. So yeah, maybe in-class participation. Anyway, after maybe 5 to 10 minutes, I would start going over the answers and just getting to know where my students are at, and if they're having trouble learning this, if they get it, or if they still need a little bit more information. So after we do this, I would go over the topic a little bit more. I'd probably say maybe 10 minutes, go over it a little bit more, 10 to 15 again. And at the end of class, I actually got the strategy from my math professor that I'm taking this semester. We would just be doing a practice quiz. So it would not count as a quiz, it would just count as in-class participation, but students would take out a piece of paper, and I would put on a short amount of questions on the board, maybe 5 questions basically of what we went over today. And I would have the students, treat it like a quiz, write it down, classroom's quiet, no talking. And when they're done, they would pass it in to me, and they obviously put their name on it. I would just put it as in-class participation, and I would just get, I would get a point of view of where they're at and who needs help and who doesn't. Thank you.